Okay, guys, oil. So the whole world is bullish on oil, okay? At 13 market moves, we're not. Why? Well, because we're fucking looking at charts, guys. We have nailed practically 90% of oil moves this year. I mean, I remember, okay, like when people in the beginning of the year, they were saying oil is going to go to blah, blah, whatever. We're saying short it. And we've nailed it. And then multiple times when Russia and OPEC were cutting production, we said short to bounce, we've nailed it. And now we're at a point where oil trade is just lucrative. Just think about it. The number one reasons the market is about to collapse is lack of liquidity. There is no fucking liquidity in the markets right now, which means it's just a matter of time before oil will collapse as well. And you got to pay attention to little small stuff like this. Now, clearly, you wouldn't just go short oil based off this, okay? We got like 100 reasons to short oil, and we got 100 reasons to believe that in the next 3 months, oil will be back to this level of like just above 60, 65, 66 area. I mean, this is just the very beginning, right? This is just the very beginning. If you're part of the alert group, you would have known that, hey, we were right here, 92. I sent a message in the alert group 2 days ago. I said, look, guys, the divergences are there. It doesn't mean oil will begin crashing today, but it means that it will begin dropping off sharply this week. And actually, the day I posted that, it begins this fucking drop right here, the first red candle. So now it's accompanied by a major bear cross on MACD right here, guys. The whole world is bullish on oil at this point, and the setup is just beautiful. Ideally, again, you want to short something at the top. We're just a few points from a major top in oil, and the drop-off could be sharp. Literally in the next 30 days, I mean, oil could be right here, 77. I mean, this drop-off could be lightning fast, which in terms of a stock, a drop from 88 to 77 is no big deal. But when you're trading options on oil futures, a drop from 88 to 77, let's say over the course of 2 weeks, that is a huge, huge move, guys. And so dare to capture it with 13 market moves. Guys, if you've never traded oil futures, guys, you need to tap into this huge resource. You need to learn how to trade this. And forget all the conventional wisdom and people telling you got to have a huge account to trade oil. It's bullshit. Okay, you can come here to 13 Market Moves with 2K. We're going to show you how to trade oil with 2K. And you can go exponentially on oil. On those days when oil makes a move of like $3, $4, you can go from 2K to fucking 30K in a matter of hours if you got the right strike, if you got the right entry, okay, and if the oil is making a move just slightly above its average move, which recently has been like $1.50, $1.97, right? These are some phenomenal times ahead of us, guys. But if you're coming in like a week later and oil is going to be already here at 82, guys, forget it. You've missed your entry. That is why in some of these videos I emphasize this timing is critical. This is the beginning of a much bigger move. Just don't be the fucking guy that's going to watch most of the move and maybe you're not convinced of it right now, but then sure enough, oil drops another 4 or 5 fucking days in a row. By that point, you're going to be convinced. And by that point, guess what we're going to be doing here at 13 Market Moves? We're going to be collecting profits on that expiration and that strike. That is exactly the point when you're going to be coming in because you're finally convinced that, yes, oil is going to drop, and that's when you're going to be fucking buying oil puts. You're going to be buying oil puts when we are finally going to be selling them. So avoid these amateur mistakes. Go to 13mmtv.com, schedule a call with a 13 Market Moves coach, and trade like a rock star. Let's do it.
First, distract target. Then block his blind jab. Counter with cross to left cheek. Discombobulate. Dazed, will attempt wild haymaker. Employ elbow block. And body shot. Block ferrule left. Weaken right jaw. Now fracture. Break cracked ribs. Traumatize solar plexus. Dislocate jaw entirely.